This is the practice test for ratios, proportions, and percents for Math 101, and here we're looking at problem number 2. It says a grocery store sells a 12-ounce container of yogurt for $2.32. What is the cost per unit, or cost per ounce, which is called the unit price? And what I'm showing you here is that the cost in these type of problems is always on the top, the cost, and then we divide by the number of ounces on the bottom. It could be pounds, it could be any number, other kind of unit, but money is always on the top. In this case, we have $2.32 for 12 ounces. So a fraction is always top number divided by the bottom. We take $2.32 divided by 12. This is what we get on the calculator. And we have to round this to the hundredths place because we're dealing with money. And we're going to round it at the 9. We look next to it, we have a 3, so the 9 is going to stay a 9, and we have 19 cents per ounce. This is 19 cents for each ounce. And this is what we call the unit cost, or the cost per 1 ounce.